In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find IDs on a Trello board. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So whether you're a project manager trying to keep your tasks organized, or someone who just wants to personalize their workflow, understanding how to retrieve IDs from Trello can be very helpful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Trello board. Go ahead and open your web browser. Any browser will work. In the address bar, type in Trello.com and hit Enter. Once you're on the Trello homepage, log into your account. If you already have a particular board in mind, the one where you need to find an ID, select that one. You can also open a specific card if that's what you're looking for. Once you're viewing your board or card, it's time to access some hidden data. Direct your attention to the address bar up top again. This is where we'll make a small but crucial change to the URL. At the very end of the URL that you see there, add.json. It should look something like this: https://trello.com/example board-name.json, depending on your specific board. After you make that change, press Enter. This will prompt your browser to load the raw backend data for that Trello page, and what you'll see might look like a chaotic jumble of text, but fret not. We are here to break it down. Now, as the page loads, it's going to display a large amount of text formatted in JSON. Don't get overwhelmed by it. To find the board ID, you'll want to scroll to the very beginning of the data that appears. Look for a field labeled ID. That's your goldmine. The ID you find here is the unique identifier for your board. If you happen to be looking for a specific card ID instead, no problem. You can utilize your browser's search function to make life easier. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl F. If you're on a Mac, press Command F. A search bar will pop up, and in there type the name of the card you're looking for. As you search, keep an eye out for the section close to that card name and look for the ID label nearby. The unique ID for that specific card will be sitting right there in plain sight. After you've found the ID, whether it's for the board or a specific card, you'll notice that it's just a string of letters and numbers following the ID label. This is the piece of information you need. Go ahead and highlight that ID with your cursor, then right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl-C or Command-C to copy it to your clipboard. And there you have it. You've successfully found and copied the ID from your Trello board or card. This information can now be used for various purposes, like API calls or integrating with other software. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Trello.